Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Dropbox files not syncing across devices. So step 1, you need to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Dropbox from syncing. So test your internet speed, restart your router, switch networks, and use a wired connection. For better stability, connect your computer directly to the router via Ethernet. Step 2, check Dropbox server status. Sometimes Dropbox servers may be down, causing syncing issues. So visit the Dropbox status page. Go to Dropbox status to check if there are any ongoing outages. If servers are down, you need to wait until Dropbox resolves the issue. Step 3, you need to restart the Dropbox. So, restarting Dropbox can resolve temporary glitches. On desktop, click the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. Select Quit Dropbox or the X and reopen Dropbox from your Applications folder or Start menu. Now, next is you have to make sure or check your Dropbox storage space. If your account is out of storage, new files won't sync. So check storage usage, go to Dropbox settings, and delete unnecessary files or upgrade your plan if you're out of space. Next, if this method didn't solve the problem, then you can try to simply reinstall your Dropbox. So before you update your Dropbox, you could also go to add and remove and uninstall your Dropbox. After that, you need to reinstall it again. So uninstall it first, reinstall to make sure that your Dropbox is up to date, and then log in. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.